gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. I cannot believe it. I have got the most amazing vintage pre-loved, my first pre-loved that I picked up at Phoenix. It's Louis Vuitton and I am utterly gobsmacked. It's true, I'm gobsmacked. I am so shocked at this bag, at finding this bag in the condition, the price. It was just there. I wasn't looking for it. Even the lion pointed it out and said, should we go and have a look at that? I am so shocked. I have not taken it out of the bag to even look at it since we got home. It's been a couple of weeks. It has literally been 2 weeks today. 2 weeks today I bought it. And I am blown away. I have not had the opportunity to get excited about it and about using this bag because I am so utterly shocked, stunned and gobsmacked. I am saying a lot for someone who is gobsmacked. The lion and I popped into Phoenix. We were hunting for a suit for the lion. We were on a mission. He said, as we were walking through Phoenix, we parked at the car park out the back of Phoenix. We were going to walk through Phoenix, have a quick look to see if they had any suits there for boys. They had none. So then we went out into the street, and as we were walking through, he said, look, we can go out the way. We can go out the way where the handbags are. You can have a quick look at the handbags. I was like, oh, we're here for you, but I do appreciate it. Thank you, darling. So we walked through, and I mentioned before, and we haven't done it yet, but we will go and do some vlogging there. They have got pre-loved. And then it was just sat there. We the pair of us, may have just jumped onto a couple of pre-loved websites, Vestiaire Collective, just did a quick Google on what you would expect to pay for this bag. And on that basis alone, we're like, right, well, we'll take it. We have to take it. So, you are not going to believe it. So, it's in the Phoenix bag. Didn't get a brand bag for the pre-loved reseller. Got some Phoenix tissue paper. I'll get the receipt out as well, put that over there. Does anyone else really miss these old Louis dust bags? I love them. They're so soft. Can you guess the age of the bag from the dust bag? Honestly, I'm so... I mean, you're not going to believe it. I still can't believe it. And I've got it. Oh, she's not going to come out now. Oh my holy guacamole. I have a vintage Marc Jacobs era Louis Vuitton Denim Baggy in immaculate condition. Look at this bit. I don't think this has ever been used. The vachetta is gorgeous. There's no tarnishing on the buckles. Even the little koala nose buckles here. No tarnishing. Nothing. This is denim. This is going to wear. This isn't leather. This isn't bulletproof canvas. This is denim. And there is no wear on the corners, on the edges, on anything. This is immaculate. There's no water spot. I don't know if this is the original sticker that whoever... Oh, let's take it off together. I don't know if that's the original sticker or if this is one that whoever I bought it from. If you are new to my channel, then I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Never looked at these, have seen Meredith's. Meredith has got a thing about this bag. She's got a thing about the denim collection. She's got this in the pink and the green and the blue, and she's either close to completing the full denim collection or has completed the full denim collection. Meredith, this one does not need to be sent to Louis for the vachetta to be replaced. It is astonishing. I still can't believe it. Just look. Look at her. We have got all the details. We've got the Louis Vuitton on the little key pull. I cannot words right now because I am still so utterly shocked. I cannot express to you. The Lion and I were in there, we're looking it over, looking at our phones, trying to play it cool. I don't know if we were playing it cool. The girls in the store, the client advisors, were saying how everyone loves this bag. It was on the wish list for pretty much everyone working in that kind of accessories area. Everyone wanted this bag. For the love of handbags, cannot be returned if removed. This was the handbag clinic. I'm going to tell you the price a little bit later because when I was looking and Googling and stuff, let's just try and keep her in shot because she's so gorgeous. When I was looking and Googling this bag, looking to see how much it should be on the retail market, on the resale market, I came across this article from Vogue India stating emphatically, this vintage Louis Vuitton bag will be the coolest fashion investment in 2023. The denim bag has not said its last word. The proof is with the Baggy by Louis Vuitton. Baggy is in. No, it's not about the jeans, it's about the bag. A vintage nugget, Louis Vuitton vintage, that's a lot of vintage, seen on the arm of Elsa Hosk and other girls. The Louis Vuitton baggy bag is on the rise. What if the only bag you had to invest in was one from the 2000s? The frenzy around vintage does not stop. The proof, this typical trend of the decade offers a revival. Denim has marked 2022 and has not said its last word. Fashionistas are throwing their weight behind denim bags, especially Louis Vuitton's Baggy, this one, which is making a comeback in their wardrobe. I have accidentally become the trendiest person in the world by picking up this beautiful vintage denim bag. Now, you may remember when I got the Marc Jacobs denim mini tote, which I love. The Lion expressing his complete, utter distaste, disdain, dislike, and just overall hatred, not too much of a strong word because it's true, of denim bags. We saw this in store. I offered that I knew that this was Marc Jacobs era, and the Lion said, Marc Jacobs knows what he's doing with denim, doesn't he? I know! That was basically the Lion saying, if it's denim by Marc Jacobs, you can have it because it's going to be glorious. I have a little hankering for the pink version of this now. A few features. We have these little koala lock double pockets on the front. Koala nose, which I think is a cute little name for them. These little pockets at the front. It is just denim, soft fabric denim. It is unstructured. I may put some sort of bag organiser in it. There is no rear slip pocket, but there is a front zipped pocket which does the same thing. This is lined in denim. The front little pockets are lined in denim. We have feet. We have got two of your bona fide basic human rights right here on vintage Marc Jacobs, Louis Vuitton. Marc Jacobs Louis Vuitton is the best Louis Vuitton. The lining in this, in the main bag compartment, look at the colour. This is so soft. It is just one open space there. We have a slip pocket there, but we don't have any of those kind of, I've just put lipstick on it. I've just put lipstick on the vachetta. Just, oh no. Oh well, it's mine now anyway. This lining is immaculate. Pull that out a little bit. Nothing on it, not a single mark. I do not think this bag has been used. There is the Louis Vuitton Paris made in France, little vachetta. And where is my little date code? I don't know where the date code is on this one. Is it in the pocket? Meredith, help me out here. Where's the date code in this? If in doubt, turn it inside out. I still can't find it. I don't know where it's hiding. The detailing on this is utterly fabulous. Old school Louis Vuitton detailing. The feet have got Louis Vuitton stamped in them. You've got this beautiful bit of vachetta here with the classic yellow stitching. You've got Louis Vuitton on the zip pull here. You've got Louis Vuitton on the zip pull here. You might be able to crossbody this at a push if you have a buckle style Louis Vuitton long strap. You could pop that on and crossbody. You could take this one off and then just put a clip crossbody strap on it, which I don't think I would do. I think I will use this exclusively as a shoulder bag. I am shocked, stunned. This is the first time I've seen it since they wrapped it up in store. I am still shocked and stunned. Utterly shocked and stunned. Find one, just sitting there, not searching for it. Immaculate condition. Immaculate condition. Are you ready to hear what we paid for it? I thought there had been a mistake. This is the Handbag Clinic label. Can you see that price on there? I'll zoom in. I'm not going to do that because it'll be blurry. But what I'll do is I'll zoom in on that. That is correct. This bag cost 825 Great British pounds, and I was convinced they'd left a one off that. I was convinced that this was meant to go up for £1,825 and they completely missed the label. We were looking on Vestiaire Collective and just in general in Google and eBay and stuff like that, and trashed versions of these were upwards of £1,200, £1,400. And this equally immaculate version was a snip at over £4,000. We were like, okay, well, even if we don't like it, even if I don't want to carry it, this is an investment. This is an investment. These bags are never going to go out of style. These bags are never going to go out of demand, if that makes sense. 825 Great British pounds. Just let that sink in for a moment. Cannot believe it. Had to buy it. No thinking about it. There and then. Take my money. Do you have one of these denim baggies? Do you have anything from this denim collection? From, I think it was 2005 this was released. So this is coming up for 18 years old. Do you have one of, I cannot believe the condition it's in. It's just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Do you have one of these from when they were launched? Have you found one of these pre-loved? What kind of conditions are you seeing them pre-loved? I've been all over the place. This video's been all over the place. I do apologise for that. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this bag. Do you think it is still quite fashionable? Still quite in style? Interested to know what you think of my score. And what a score it is. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!